afternoon. Don't let someone else's opinion be your reality. You have control on your reaction, how you react to the situation, what meaning you give to that situation. There's no scientific guarantee if you set your higher intentions, you'll achieve that. But if you cut yourself short at the beginning, there's no chance. Absolutely no chance. You have the power in you. हम बाहर ढूंढते हैं.
I got an opportunity for one-to-one mentoring session with him. This was the turning point for me. His one idea had changed my entire life. Today, I'm making profits in my business, which I could not make in the last 6 years.
People have asked Warren Buffett that how long one should keep the stock. They say forever. So how long one should do the networking? Forever. Keep adding network. I mean, every year you should have a goal that yes, these many people I want to add in my network. These are Chennai's or this group or political group or whatever your target is. And use this network to get there. Keep on networking with people above you. That's how you'll progress. But in networking, quality and quantity both are important. And most of the people, what mistakes they do, they go to various networking events, meet a lot of people, collect a lot of cards, but there are no relationships. And without relationships, your network is mile wide and 1 inch deep. So it's got to have depth also. And it's got to have width also. When you hang out with people, you bring them into your network, bring positive people, bring people who uplift you, so that you progress continuously.
इन्होंने मुझे मेरे ड्रीम एंड मेरे गोल दोनों को दिखा दिया कि मुझे अपने गोल तक कैसे अचीव करना है और मुझे अपने ड्रीम्स को कैसे एक्शन के साथ उसको कन्वर्ट करना है ओरिजिनल में.
The company was valued at 30 crore and she got its funds at the valuation of 400 crores. When you ask the person who has done it, he will tell you yes. But if you ask the person who has not done it, he'll laugh.
मेरा ऑन स्टेज वर्कशॉप था जो सर मैम की गाइडेंस मिली, तो जो आज मैं खड़ा हूँ मैं इनकी बदौलत ही खड़ा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं जैसे सर ने बताया था कि मैं 3 मिनट ही बोल पाता था एंड आप लोगों के सामने खड़ा हूँ और मैं ये बिलीव करता हूँ कि मेरी आवाज़ जो दबी हुई थी वो सामने आ गया.
But our first law is people sitting here to launch their books because they all became author during the course. So why should people select you? आपको क्यों select करें इस भीड़ में जहाँ इतनी noise है? Your reputation is like share price in people's mind. You own that small place in their mind that is very, very difficult to get. What experience I have, or you have, that's yours. कोई नहीं ले सकता. No one can take it from you. When you become a personal brand, people trust you, people like you. Everything which stands behind you, वो भी बिकने लगती है. That's the power of personal branding. Someone said the best thing you can do to poor is not to be one of them. So leverage your personal brand, grow your network, go out. Otherwise, किसको क्या पता आप क्या हो? Thing is कि 95 में IPO 300 times oversubscribed presidential award, born in a refugee colony, no English, no education, no mentor, no guidance from father. My dad passed away at a very young age. And then becoming a Gallup certified business coach and train the trainer and speaking English in front of you. So what the hell is your excuse for not doing in life what you want to do? There's no excuse.
All right, so there is no excuse in life what you want to achieve. There is no excuse, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you want to achieve. तो वेलकम, नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल एंड सलाम वालेकुम. आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है एट दिस 3 सीक्रेट्स ऑफ नो कॉस्ट मार्केटिंग ऑन दिस फ्राइडे इवनिंग. You could have been someplace else. I know there are hundreds of webinars going on and you must have lots and lot of invitations, but you decided to be here, so I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And there are 2 qualities of super successful people in the world. Those super successful people are only 5% and they hold the 95% wealth in the world. Number 1, they always show up. They always show up like you have showed up. The message gone to thousands of people, but 500 of you have decided to show up here. So that makes you very, very special in that 5%. The next quality of that super successful 5% is they are committed to lifelong learning. So you are here to learn. So congratulations for being here. As Rudy Allen said, that 80% success is in showing up. So you have shown up and you are already a super successful person. All right. So thank you very much for being here. And everyone, audio is clear. Check your audio setting, video setting, everything okay. So I move forward. Is audio okay? Okay, Hitesh. Thank you very much for thank you for this comment. Thank you for participating. All right. So thank you very much. All right. Let's go. Let's go. So how many of you are entrepreneurs here? Type me in the comment box. How many of you are entrepreneurs? All right. So a lot of you are entrepreneurs. How many of you are in job here? In job. Type me in the job. MIJ in the comment box. Me in the job. Okay. So a lot of you are in the job. Fantastic. So this webinar is for you all. If you want to achieve more success, you want to achieve more promotions, or you want to get the offers of better jobs. See, the whole purpose of this webinar is that you don't chase business, you don't chase jobs. It all comes to you. With the strategies I'm going to tell you, these are all strategies. Everything, the no-cost marketing, the mean, it says that you don't spend money on marketing. And I don't spend money on my people I get for my business coaching one-to-one. They pay me 1 lakh rupees a month. I don't spend money on getting members for Tajurba. So almost 200 plus members in last year joined Tajurba. It's a membership-based group in Delhi NCR, 8 chapters. So they paid 25,000 rupees a year fee for joining this, around 50 lakh, and coaching client around 6 coaching clients. So another 36 lakhs came from these strategies. I'm going to tell you whatever I do step by step, very, very powerful. So you don't spend any money. B2C different. When you want lots and lot of people for for your product, like 300, 400 or 500 ticket size, then you have to do advertisement. But that also, if you have a powerful personal brand, you have influence, you have a great presence on social media, so that conversion becomes faster, that conversion becomes higher. So that's very important. This is what we are going to learn today, is the whole foundation of marketing. Without this, the marketing is not that effective. All right, so let's go and all right, so everyone got notepads and pen? Everyone. If you don't have, get quickly, because I'm going to share lots and lot of golden nuggets, which is going to save you or make you lakhs and crores. So get hold of pen and paper right now, or notebook, whatever. So how many of you would like to help a lot of people? How many of you would like to help a lot of people? Type, yes, I want to help a lot of people in comment box. Me, all right. So, and how many of you want to make a lot of money by helping a lot of people? Type me with the double E. Me, EE in the comment box. Yes, the big me. All right. So money is the byproduct of the value you add and the problem you solve for a lot of people. Yes, money is the byproduct. If you add a lot of value to people's lives, the money comes automatic. That's the byproduct. If you agree with this statement, type yes in the comment box. So I want to, with these strategies, like I have created a huge brand. I get a lot of TV interviews, newspaper, magazine articles, and a lot of people come to do business with me. So I want to give you all those strategies. I want to create more influencers and leaders, because world need people like you. People like you who are committed, who are here, who are lifelong committed to learning, people who are awesome. All right. So that is my mission, and my mission is to create 1 crore job creators instead of job seekers. I mean, I want people. I went to Warangal recently for a TEDx talk, and I met a lot of young people. Their parents had spent 5-6 lakh rupees for engineering, and engineering jobs are getting hard because of AI and machine learning. So, those are the people I am very much connected. I want to digitally train them to become entrepreneurs and do something on their own. There are a lot of opportunities. There are a lot of money out there. So that's my mission, to at least train 1 crore people. All right, so these are the 3 secrets. Number 1 is, it's the foundation of whole no-cost marketing or the paid marketing or anything you do in life. Even if you are in a job and you want better job offers, you want better promotions, and you want to make a lot of money, this is the foundation of it. So number 1 is influence. What influence you have in your company or in your industry or in the city you live or in the society you live, the lane, street you live, or the country or the world, is all about influence. Number 2 is personal brand. If you remember earlier, the founders used to name their companies in their own name, like Tata Steel, Tata Consultancy. And then, the time changed, J.C. Penney, R.H. Macy, the time changed. So companies started to rely on celebrities like Amitabh Bachchan and Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli and all that. So these celebrities may not be using those products themselves. And here I must tell you one thing, that people like to do business with people. People buy your energy first. After that, the product and services you are selling. So people want to know who is the person behind. And if you have a great personal brand, you can have 10 companies. They all will be successful. I'll show you in that whole webinar today. And this is going to be around 2 hours webinar. So people who have any other appointment or any other webinar to attend, please leave now. Because you are going to miss a lot of things. It's half knowledge is not good. When you miss a lot of golden nuggets and you are neither here nor there. So be one place. If you are with me, be with me till the end. If you want to attend something else, go there. All right. So it's going to be fun and it's going to be very high energy and a roller coaster ride. Number 3 is attitude of giving. This is a Zig Ziglar quote, wonderful quote. And this is universal law. That when you help a lot of people, you create influence, you are a brand, you help lots and lot of people who come into your contact, whatever way, digitally or physically, doesn't matter. But you impact a lot of lives, then it all comes back to you multifold. It's a universal law, like you plant 1 mango seed. The 1 mango, nature doesn't give you 1 mango back. It gives you multiple mangoes, season after season. Yes, type yes in the comment box. Type yes in the comment box. So Yogesh Trivedi is saying no or not audible. I think I'm audible. If I'm audible, type audible in the comment box. And Yogesh, check your audio setting. Maybe your headphone, something wrong with your internet or something. People are saying very much audible. All right, so let's go. Do I have your permission? Since we're going to spend now 2 hours almost with each other. And later in the life, we're going to connect physically also. When I travel your cities, there are a lot of people from different cities. And when I travel, I announce on my LinkedIn and Facebook and I meet a lot of people. So we're going to meet also. Do I have your permission to share a little bit about myself? 2 minutes. Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Pooja, thank you for your permission. All right. So as you can see here, this is my favorite quote, improvised Les Brown quote. It ain't over until I win and everybody around me wins. The original is Les Brown. It ain't over until I win. But I improvise it until everybody around me. I can't win if you don't win. Your success is my success. It's 10x joy. When my students, people I coach, if they are successful, it gives me 10x joy. If they earn 1 crore rupee, I get 10 crore rupee joy. That is, and that you all must be agreeing that when you help someone and that you make someone happy, you get more happiness. Yes or yes? Type yes in the comment box. If you make someone else happy, you feel more happy. So I celebrated 42nd anniversary of my 20th birthday this year. That means I'm 62-year-old in perfect health with a lot of enthusiasm and energy, because I believe people buy your energy first. And I'm zero dependent on any kind of medication. My doctor friends tell me that average person age of 50 or above is dependent on one medicine throughout his life. Throughout his life. I'm on zero medication with all your blessings and God's blessing. All right. So another thing for my being happy and happy is I wear awesomeness glasses. And I want you all to wear awesomeness glasses today. What is awesomeness glasses? This is a metaphor. When you wear blue glasses, how the world going to look to you? What color the world is going to? Type in the comment box if you are wearing blue glasses. How is the world going to look to you? Blue, right? If you wear green, world is going to look to you green. So if you wear awesomeness, world is going to look awesome to you. You attract awesome business opportunities, job opportunities, awesome people in your life, awesome learnings, awesome trainer like me. I attract awesome participants like you. So type in the comment box awesomeness and wear awesomeness glasses today. These 2 hours are going to be awesome and you are going to learn lot of awesome things, right? Type awesomeness. Thank you very much. So I was born in a refugee camp in Ulhasnagar. Anyone from Ulhasnagar here from Maharashtra? My parents moved there from Sindh, Pakistan. It was a small army barrack which were allotted to all the refugees and small barrack, family of 7, no toilets, walk 500 meters for the dirty, dingy toilet. And my schooling was mostly in Sindhi government and tent wala schools hota hai na. School doesn't even have building in the tents. So those are the school I went to and I failed in class 2. And teachers labeled me as a dumb student and I was beaten mercilessly by the teachers. Every time they will, ask me something and I don't find the answer and cut. How many of you were beaten by your teachers? Type me in the comment box if you were beaten by your teachers. Because nowadays teachers don't beat, I believe. My children never were beaten by teachers. A lot of you. All right. So one of my teacher in 7th class told me that you are the worst student in my class. Worst I have seen in 23 years. So that I was very hurt, I couldn't sleep, I was crying all night and I made a promise to myself that I'm going to work so hard. I'm going to work so hard and become successful in life. Because that was English teacher, my English was very, very poor. Even the standard was very poor. So I worked so hard in my life like a mad and I written 2 books in English. If I can find that teacher, I'm going to gift these books to her. Because sometimes your major inspiration and success in life comes wrapped in sandpaper. If you agree with that statement, type yes in the comment box. With all your failures, all your mistakes, all your broken relationship, business failures, hardship, that's where the major learnings come, major inspiration come. Yes, and that became my inspiration in life. I still can't forget that. And then my first startup was at the age of 21 without capital, without mentor, but I started work like mad. And we became one of the largest garment exporter out of India. In 1995, we decided to go for listing at Bombay Stock Exchange. Our small IPO, 1.25 crore, went over 300 crore, 300 times. And followed by a presidential award. Here you see me, by the age of 38 years, I was multi-millionaire. This is Mr. Chidambaram Commerce Minister, President Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. I became a TEDx speaker 2 years ago. I took my train the trainer certification because this is close to my heart to train people. I don't want to train 1 crore people. And I took one of the best coaching certification from Gallup. And I'm a president of the trust in Rajouri Garden. This is the building you see, that hospital. We have a hospital there. I'll talk about this also, that how to create influence when you participate in the trust. I travel over 50 countries. 2 educations you can buy with money. One is books. Second is travel. I have read about 1,000 books in physical. I still have here in my office. And I have 200 books in my Kindle. So books and travel. These 2 education you can buy with money. If you agree with this, type yes in the comment box. I want to thank my co-panelist here, Kumar Saurabh. He helps me with all my trainings and PPTs and a lot of technology which goes behind learning, webinars and everything. So everyone say hi, Kumar. He's a great guy, one of the best in India. I've given his mobile number here. Anyone needs any content help or any technology help in doing webinars, get in touch with him. 9650049401. He helps me all the time. I work till 2 a.m. and I call him sometime 1 o'clock. He helps me. Great guy, wonderful guy. So, I'm grateful to him. This is because of gratitude. I'm not charging any commission to him promoting here. But he's my friend and he helps me all the time. So I'm showing my gratitude here. All right. So these are the programs I do around the year. My silver level, entry level program is Turbo Sales Blueprint. Right now, around 250 people are doing this batch. This is a 6 Saturday program ending on 23rd May and 30th May new batch is starting. A lot of people have signed up and I'm going to offer you by the end of this program. Also this program is a wonderful program about sales. So everyone ready for move forward, type ready in the comment box. Let's get Get the energy. Ready. Type ready in the comment box. Thank you. So number one thing in no-cost marketing, when you are, I explained about the brand. If you are a personal brand, huge brand, we all know Sandeep Maheshwari. Yes, he has created in last 6-7 years a huge personal brand. Most people, young population, old population in India knows it. His company Images Bazaar does not spend a penny on advertisement. Zero cost marketing. And his whole Images Bazaar does hundreds of crores of turnover because it's a great personal brand. Yes, you will get you will get the recording on the cloud and everything. That's okay. Recording is not a problem. Everyone will get a recording. But the live ka maza apna hai yaar. You will, the live you attend is a different energy, right? If you like my energy, type energy in the comment box. Having live webinars and live learning is a different fun. Thank you very much. All right, so personal branding can be created online and offline. So let's talk about offline first. And the number one step, my dear friends, is create this brand. Your personal brand is write a book. I've written 2 books, I told you. 2 books. Very important to write book. It takes your branding to the next level. Now, how many of you think writing book is difficult? Type difficult in the comment box. And I'll prove it in next 3 minutes. It's not difficult. Thank you very much, Ram. Yes, okay. Thank you for your honesty. All of you, how many of you have gone through hard times in life? I've gone through many hard times. I've failed number of times, starting from school to studies to business. How many of you have gone through hard times in life? Type me in the comment box. Okay, all of you have gone through. Now, how many of you have been successful in life? Some success, small or big. Type me in the comment box. You all must have been successful also. Okay, third thing, you all must have some strength, some specialization in you. Maybe it's natural, God-given, or maybe it is learned like chartered accountant, or maybe you are a good speaker, or maybe you are a good, a poet or shire or singer or player. Yes? Professionally, graphic designer, content writer, anything. Combination of all 3, your stories are unique. Your stories are unique. These are your story. I was born in a refugee camp is very unique. I got presidential award, that's my story. I had an IPO, that's my story. Similarly, your hardship, your story, and your specialization. Combine all these things, make some bullet points on a notepad. Next thing what you need to do is write headings of 7 chapters. Don't worry about the title. Title we'll find out later. Just 7 chapter or 8 chapter headings. That is called the architecture and wireframe of the book. Now start writing. Every day write just 500 words. Normally it takes 1 minute to type 100 words. It takes 5 minutes. But if you spend 1 hour, I'm talking about books. So even if you take half an hour, 1 hour, 500 words. A book of 15 to 20,000 words, how long will it take? Type in the comment box. How long will it take? 40 days, right? Thank you. So 40 days, even if 60 days, I've given you 20 days more. You write your book. Do not edit in between now. Remember this. Do not edit because you tend to go back. Ye theek nahi likha, this hasn't come right. Don't do it. Just keep writing. You'll go in the flow. You'll remember stories. Refer to your notes wherever you have written your hardship, your story, your successes, your specialization, your case studies. Once you come in the flow, you will start. Don't worry if it is the bad English. Editors will take care of it if your English is bad. But keep writing, keep writing. And once you are done with your 15 to 20,000, even 10,000 words initially is okay. Then take a printout, sit down with your tea. Sit down. I do this. This is my Tajurba cup. So I sit down with my green tea and with a pen in hand, I start, cutting down whatever I don't need or add, and then I remember. And then again go back and edit my own manuscript. And then I give it to editor Kumar Saurabh. He'll edit the book. I get the cover design done in 1,500 rupees from Deepika Sharma. She's one of the graphic designers at Tajurba. And book is ready. And what I do is I go to Amazon. It takes less than 10 minutes. How many minutes? 10 minutes to upload your book on Amazon, Kindle, and Amazon Print on Demand. Next 1 or 2 hours, your book is live in 13 countries. How many countries? 13. Free. No cost marketing. Your book is available in 13 countries. And any country in the world, a person orders book from Amazon, Amazon will print one book and ship it to the person. Amazon will charge you commission and printing, but only if the book is sold. You don't even have to keep your inventory there. And what you can do, you can get your 50 to 100 books printed for 60, 70 rupees. That's it, small cost. And when you can give it gift to your people or sell in your workshops or training and give gift to your clients, I'll talk about it. Now you think is book writing is easy, type easy in the comment box. Yes, it's easy? All right. It's easy. It's very easy. Thank you for your participation. See, I have attracted so many awesome people today because I'm wearing awesomeness glasses. You all are very, very awesome, right? Next, be part of, offline, you got to have network. Now, how do you create your network? Number one is business networking if you are in business, like Tajurba, and there are a lot of other business networks in India and all over the world. Those are paid memberships. You join there and members help each other to get business. Very easy. Fast business, people have recovered at Tajurba membership. They paid 25,000. They have recovered 100x of their membership fee they have paid because all the members help each other generate business. Other networks, if you are in job or something, then your alumni network, your college alumni, your RWA, Resident Welfare Association, like I'm president of the trust, join some trust. Any Rotarians here? Any Rotarians? Rotarians, Lion Club, these are wonderful platforms. What happens is when you build, thank you. So when you build these relationships, when you build these relationships there over the time, people know what you do. And I'm assuming because you have come here, you all are committed, you're awesome people, you are come here to learn. So you must be good at something, whatever you are doing. When you're good at something, you regularly go there, you participate, you show up because you have shown your commitment to show up here. People love to do business with you because they come to know what you do. And if you are a chartered accountant, they need CA services, they'll come to you. And they'll recommend you in their network. And everyone in nowadays has got at least 1,000 people in their physical network, minimum. I'm talking about. I've got 14,000. I'm a master networker. But people have 500 to 1,000 people in their network. They recommend you to be part of and be active. If you're part of any network, the key here is be consistent. Be consistent. Participate regularly. Go to monthly meeting. Be on time. Help a lot of people. Be visible, go with a smile, dress tight, and see the magic. The mother of all networking book, Never Eat Alone. Now it's time to take a note, take a picture or screenshot. This is a book by Keith Ferrazzi, Never Eat Alone. Never Eat Alone. I met a customer in New York 25 years ago, and I still remember his words, and I'm going to give you this golden nugget. He told me this, Suresh. They don't pronounce it Suresh at India. Suresh, break bread with your customers. Note it down. Break bread with your customers. That means you must eat with your customer. Invite them over to your house. Let them meet your family and children. And a day will come very soon when they find out your goods are nice, your products are nice, your services are good, your prices are good, you are ethical person, you are professional, they will stop doing business with your competitor. They'll stop doing business with your competitor. It happened with us. 1997, a large store chain came to India from US, 6,000 store, minimum order, one item of 60,000 garments. One item, one top, they'll take one shirt, 60,000. Team of 8 buyers. And they landed up in our office and they gave us test order and they met 10 other exporters. They gave them also test orders. Within 2 years, and we invited them over, Never Eat Alone, to our house for dinner. And when we went to New York, they invited us to their house for dinner. And they liked our product, the prices were right, we were always very ethical. After 2 years, we got this email from them that, Suresh, we do not want to do business with any other Indian company. We are doing business with you only and we want to grow it. So instead of we 8 people coming to India only for your company, why don't you come to Southeast Asia when we traveled for our buying trip. They used to travel 2 times a year. So we met them in 1999 in Bangkok, Shangri-La Hotel. We started writing after the breakfast at the business center, conference room. We started writing our orders. And by 8 p.m. when we went for dinner, there's a cruise, boat cruise outside Shangri-La Hotel. So we went for a boat cruise, and the next day morning, recently I learned like Excel, how to do Excel and everything. I put all orders for my India office to put in the Excel and everything. And I calculated the total was 1,500 crore. 1,500 crore rupees orders in one single day. Never eat alone with your customers. So the thing is to do is that organize your, Keith says, organize networking dinners at your place. Every Saturday or Sunday, invite 5-6 different people, and mostly people who are influencers in your network. And if cost is the issue, tell them it's a potluck, bring your own food. All right. Next golden nugget. Note it down. Very, very important. This golden nugget will save you a lot of trouble or make you a lot of money in life. And that is when it's friendship. Note it down. When it's friendship, make it strictly business. जब आप दोस्तों से व्यापार करें, make it business. Get your partnership deed written with a lawyer. All term condition very clear that if the dispute happens or partnership breaks, who will keep the business, who will get the money, if a partner dies, what happens, all those things. And when it's business, make it friendship. That means when you are doing business with your customer, make them your best friend. Invite them over to your home. Make them your friends. If you find this powerful, type powerful in the comment box. Type powerful in the comment box. If this is powerful. Never eat alone. Break bread with your customers. If it's friendship, make it strictly business. When it's business, make it friendship. Thank you for your participation. After a book and you have done everything, you're doing right, you invite your customers home, you break bread with your customer, and you're careful doing business with friends. Next thing is become a speaker. Now, how many of you have stage fear? Type me in the comment box if you have stage fear. Thank you. 3 minutes, the fear will be gone. How cool is that? Type cool in the comment. Next 3 minutes, you will say that this fear is easy to handle. Okay. My question to you, my dear friends, is that if you do not know car driving, normally we all know car driving, but this I'm talking about before you learn. You don't know car driving, you don't have license. Would you dare to go to a busy traffic road? Would you dare? Type in the comment box. If you don't know driving, you don't have license. No, right? Everyone type no. Now what you do, you contact a driving school, right? And they come with a very special car. All the controls are with the instructor, and then you attend the session, maybe 15-20 sessions. They get you the learning license, and then you get the license, and after that you go on the road, and after a few months you are an expert driver. Type yes in the comment box if this is the process. Right? So you become expert driver, and then you are talking on the phone, you are listening to the music, and sometimes I see people are drunk and they get home very safely. Similarly is with the public speaking. You learn public speaking from a trainer like me, or there are Dale Carnegie Institutes or Toastmaster, a lot of things there. I conduct these trainings, TEDx Mastery and Public Speaking Mastery, 2 Sundays program I just finished. And since you are now in my network, you'll get my emails and messages when I conduct the next one. 2 full days. And when you learn and you practice, it becomes easy. Like the car driving. And when you are on the stage, there is magic happens. Magic happens, my dear friend. When you come down, people line up to do business with you. They line up, they buy your books, and they want your autograph. They want selfies with you. You feel like a celebrity. You feel like a celebrity. That is the power of having a book and becoming a speaker. And if you get paid for the speaker, if you get paid as a speaker, I get paid 1 lakh rupees for 1 hour speech. And there is a site OSB, Outstanding Speaker Bureau. Google it. Type OSB in the comment box. 5 lakh rupees per assignment. Devdutt Patnaik, who's very senior to me, speaking for years, get 30 lakh rupees for one speaking. Great profession to have. You get 5-star hotel, you go out Sundays, Saturdays, and you speak, and they give you a lot of respect. And then you can, and this can be around your book. You have already written a book, you have your stories, your hard stories, your successes, your failures, and you written a book. Around that, draft a speech. You are done, practice, learn. Some techniques, how to put humor, how to put emotions, how to put inspiration, all those things I teach. And then you learn and you practice and then you are there. And around that, you can develop. You become a trainer also. You can do your webinars like I am doing. You can do your trainings here. You can say I'm doing a live training. People are, attending the training, paying a lot of money. So the training is the highest margin business, 80% margin. Tony Robbins having private jet. He's been, training for last 30, 40 years. Vivek Bindra, all those great trainers make a lot of money. It's the highest paying. Even when surgeons, they spend their life, reading and practicing. But trainer, you can become a good trainer in 1, 2, 3 years. Very easy. And other purposes, you can do your webinar or seminar. If you don't want to charge people money, that's also fine. But then when you are on the stage, you have written a book, you are conducting a workshop, training people, they like to do business with you. One of my friends, chartered accountant, he does a seminar or now doing webinar, mind your profits. So when he teaches people, people like to do business with him. He gets their, retainership and everything. That's perfectly all right. How many of you ask your existing clients for referrals? Because all this I'm teaching you, this doesn't cost anything. These are all no-cost marketing strategies. I've earned around 80 lakhs from these strategies. I get clients. I don't go after clients. They all come to me with these strategies. They come to me from LinkedIn, Facebook, from my network, from my emails, all those things. So all of you ask and all of you meet a lot of clients, right? Now I'm going to share with you another golden nuggets. Never show up empty-handed. We all know that. If we visit our friends or relatives, do we ever go empty-handed? Type in the comment box. Do we ever go empty-handed? We know that we must carry some gift, right? Type, yeah, thank you very much. So why do we visit our clients empty-handed? And what can be a better gift than your book? So when you're visiting your client and you sign a book and best wishes for him and his wife, and gift the book to your client, what is your client going to think? Oh my God, you are an author. You are an expert in your field. Your brand value and respect goes much higher. Yes? Type yes in the comment box. And if you don't have a book, then there is another idea I give you. And this I do all the time. This is the notebook. Get your client's name printed and a nice pen. Both of them good quality. Get the client's personalized name printed there. Give this gift to your client, and this is possible. One of our members, Sanjay Verma, is here. He's here on this webinar, and we all cost only 350 rupees. Only 350 rupees. Everyone say hi, Sanjay. He's Tajruba member, and he does for me, for my other Tajruba members also. 350 rupees. Get 100 books with him and pens. Whenever you're visiting your client, give him the list, 3-4 clients every week you're visiting, he'll print it and ship it to you. How cool is that? Type cool in the comment box. Type cool in the comment box. Thank you. Okay, so I would request Kumar Saurabh to post Sanjay Verma's number here. Sanjay Verma's number here, so that the people who are interested can contact. It's a very low cost gift. This is Sanjay Verma number 98100 73272. 98100 73272. All right. So there's a law of reciprocation in place. Big law, because if someone gives you a gift, you also want to return the gift, right? If someone invites you for dinner, you also like to invite that person or family for dinner. Yes or yes? Kumar is from Delhi only, and we can ship all over India, no problem, all over India. Couriers are all over India. So there's a law of reciprocation, universal law. And when you give a gift to your client, what is your client going to give you in return? Type in the comment box. If you give a gift to your client, your book or this notepad or any other gift you think. Someone gave me this nice gift also. The money lady. One of my vendor. So when business, yes, business. All right. So use this golden nugget. Carry some small gift. Your book, notepad, or any other gift you like. Never go empty-handed. And there's a wonderful book on influence, second book. This is all part of no-cost marketing. When you create influence, the business comes to you. You don't advertise or cold call or anything. Robert B. Cialdini. The book is called Influence. Note it down. Take a screenshot or a photograph. Very important book. I've read it many times. I've highlighted the portion, and once a month I go through those portions. It helps me to create my influence, and I've created huge influence in my network. And I'll talk about online influence also. So this is the 11-minute video. In the interest of time, I'll just show you 1-minute video. But I want one promise from you. This is video by Robert B. Cialdini himself, animated video, 11 minutes video. But I want one promise from you all today, because you all are awesome, right? You all are awesome. I want one promise from you, that you're going to watch this full video before you sleep tonight. Type Pakka Promise, PP in the comment box. Pakka Promise. Watch this video. I'm going to play this 1-minute video.
Researchers have been studying the factors that influence us to say yes to the requests of others for over 60 years. And there can be no doubt that there's a science to how we are persuaded. And a lot of this science is surprising. When making a decision, it would be nice to think that people consider all the available information in order to guide their thinking. But the reality is very often different. In the increasingly overloaded lives we lead, more than ever, we need shortcuts or rules of thumb to guide our decision-making. My own research has identified just 6 of these shortcuts as universals that guide human behavior. They are reciprocity, scarcity, authority, consistency, liking, and consensus. Understanding these shortcuts and employing them in an ethical manner can significantly increase the chances that someone will be persuaded by your request. Let's take a closer look at each in turn.
So, the first universal principle of influence is reciprocity. Simply put, people are obliged to give back to others the form of behavior, gift, or service that they have received first. If a friend invites you to their party, there's an obligation for you to invite them to a future party you are hosting. If a colleague does you a favor, then you owe that colleague a favor.
All right, so reciprocity is number 1, and this video is on YouTube. If you type Science of Persuasion, Robert B. Cialdini, this will show up on the top. All right, and when you apply these strategies, even if you are a startup, investors will get in touch with you. Investors will get in touch with you. Today, my sons are they have a startup, beauty products. And I got a message on LinkedIn from Anand Rathi that they want to have a call tonight, 9:30 with me. They want to invest in our company. So when you create your personal brand, someone has posted message that this is for established people. No, my dear friend, when you are a brand, you create your influence. These are all the strategies I'm talking about. Create your network. Whatever you want, job, you want funds, you want, anything you want to have in life, your network, your influence, your personal brand will get you. That's so powerful. Type powerful in the comment box. Type powerful in the comment box. It's so powerful. Thank you. So the next strategy, now we come to online, is LinkedIn. How many of you post at least 3 times on LinkedIn? Type me in the comment box if you post. 3 times. A lot of you. All right. Thank you. So this is a money maker thing for me. I get so much business from LinkedIn, so much influence and so many friends. I'll show it to you. Most powerful, very, very authentic platform. I'm not even paid subscriber, no cost. This is a no cost marketing, burning example. How much business I get from LinkedIn. And all professional people here, very clean. You can see the profiles, which school they went to, which college, what certificates, testimonials, recommendations, everything. Great platform. If you are not on LinkedIn tonight, you must make your account there. Make your profile there. I'll show you everything. I'm taking you through my personal pages, what I do. This is not bookish knowledge. This is all coming from the heart for you guys. Now this is my profile page here. If you see here, number one thing, note it down. Your profile picture should be very, very professional. Very professional. No Steve Jobs or no other building or anything. No other graphic. Your picture. Informals. Then your cover image should align with your brand. Here I'm conducting a live training. You can see here. Your name, extension. Now Suresh Manshramani, I could have typed only Suresh Manshramani, but pay attention to the extension. India's #1 business growth coach. When people search me on Google or LinkedIn, this shows up. This shows up. Every time they mention me, this shows up. Tag me on LinkedIn and this shows up. Recall. Headline, sales and business growth specialist, sales trainer, Gallup coach, life coach, TEDx speaker, presidential award. All right. Everything. Your headline, don't change it. You'll confuse LinkedIn. Yes. Next is providing services. Mention all the services you are providing. Don't miss this column. After that is about. Now I get a lot of connection requests and I see that they are missing on their wonderful story. You all have great stories. Yes? Type yes in the comment. You all have great stories of success, failures, hardship, some client case studies, everything. 1965 words, your profile. See here, I've written from a job of 300 to 300 times oversubscribed IPO, my successes. My biggest failure, I've even written my biggest failure there. Go through my profile, read it today, and write your profile if you haven't written it. Then your feature gallery, my presidential award, my books. This is my activity, what all I do. I've got 20,863. Today it's crossed 21,000 followers. And LinkedIn gives you 30,000 direct connect. Facebook gives you only 5,000. LinkedIn gives you 30,000 direct connect. 30,000. Where you can directly send message inbox, in mail. See my dashboard. 2,586 people viewed my profile. Video views 162. Search appearance 953. Now I'm going to show you. If you click on search appearance, this is what comes. How people search you. See here how people search me. Business coach, motivational speaker, sales trainer. 100% aligned with my brand. 100% aligned with my brand. Here is my experience, the Tajurba Business Network and all the companies I have or I had. My certification, life coach, trainer. So my profile as per LinkedIn is all-star profile. So fill up everything there. Then volunteer experience, I'm president of Two Trust, charter member and a couple of other things. Here is the magic. So when I was talking about your stories, I posted one story about my hard times and it went viral. 2,51,683 views, 278 comments, 3,528 likes. No cost marketing. 2.5 लाख लोग. Facebook पे पता नहीं मेरा 20 लाख खर्चा हो जाए इतना लोगों को दिखाने. 2.5 लाख लोग. No cost marketing. Influence, personal brand. Then people like to know more about you, what you do. They want to attend your webinar. They want to find out what business you are in. And if you have got your friends' requests and connect requests align with your company and your products and brand, They want to get in touch with you to do business with you. Next, 1,19,818 views, 91 comments, 986 likes. This is my post trending on personal development, next post on business coach, one video I posted last week on networking. It's trending on networking. Now, how many of you have got testimonials on LinkedIn? How many of you got testimonials on LinkedIn? Recommendations, it's called recommendations on LinkedIn. How many of you have recommendations on LinkedIn? Type me in the comment box. All right. How many of you have over 50 testimonials? Type the number of testimonials you have. How many of you have over 50 testimonials? 6, 10, 9. Okay. Let me show you some magic. I have got 111. This is 2 days backslide, 109. I am 111 not out. 111 not out. 111 not out. And this is your legacy. Your happy clients, the people I have served, helped, I've coached, people I've done business with, I've served. These are the testimonies. Even if I'm gone, when I'm not here, I'm not living, this is going to be there. This is your legacy, my dear friend. And when people come to visit your profile to do business with you or check you out, it creates a very, very huge impression. And let me show you what happened. I got a very heart-touching message, very heart-touching. I had tears in my eyes. And this is a lady, Nishtha Malhotra. I don't know. I never met her. And these days, people don't write compliments like this to strangers. Yes, he wrote me this wonderful message. I'll read it for you quickly. I'm writing down just to tell you that scrolling down your profile gave me a sense of pride. I really don't know you, but your intro and the testimonial that people wrote about you made me feel right back to you and grace you with a big thank you. I'm not sure if my words can really convey what I mean, but with this mind making everything complicated and one losing control over one's self, someone like you is a blessing in disguise. Thank you for sharing the hard-earned and truest of treasure with people around. Deepest regard, Nishtha. I want to thank you. When I meet her, I'm going to say thanks to life. It is so inspiring. Yes, type inspiring in the comment box. You find this inspiring to do more, to help more. And this guy I never met till today. He's from Bangalore. He went to Dubai to do some business and he was not doing well. He found me on LinkedIn and sent me a message, sir, I want to call you. He called me on Sunday. And I connected him with some influencers in Dubai. He helped me, gave him my advice and everything. And he wrote this wonderful testimonial. Suresh sir is a wonderful human being who is always ready to help and mentor startup. And when to see them successful, he sees his success in others' success, attitude of giving. He has excellent network all over the world, especially in UAE, and connected me to the right people when I requested him after understanding my line of business. I recommend anyone who is looking for a guru or mentor to approach him. Now, if I go to Dubai and call him, will he invite me for dinner or yes or no? Type in the comment box. Will he invite me? I've given him at least 5 good connects in Dubai. And this is business coming from LinkedIn. This person joined my public speaking and TEDx mastery, sent me this message, gave me his mobile number, and then he joined my batch. Cool? Another amazing thing happened. I'm a certified life coach. I don't promote myself as life coach. But I got this message, 2 clients from US, one from Dubai, one from India. They wanted life coaching, paid life coaching. They paid me. Just because of my powerful branding on LinkedIn. I've done certification because I want to help my business coaching clients. They sometimes need life coaching too. And this opportunity from Economic Times, 5th of June, I'm speaking for an international crowd of Economic Times and Times of India. Deepak Agarwal. Kindly share with us the program agenda so that we can take things forward. I look forward to hearing from you. Deepak Agarwal, ET Masterclass. Another magic. Now, these all form part of my branding, creates influence, and the business comes to you. This whole thing is about no-cost marketing. Takes little time. It's not easy. It won't come overnight. But it took me only 2 years to achieve whatever I'm showing you today. Only 2 years. I got featured in India Today, month of May. Here is, how many of you follow Jay Shetty? Type I do in the comment box. Jay Shetty, great motivational, great speaker. Yeah, a lot of you. So here Jay Shetty, here is Milind Jadhav, here is Suresh Mancharamani, here is Priya Kumar. Yeah, India Today. Came from LinkedIn. How many of you are coaches and trainers? Yeah, I'm going to give you now something, a very big golden nugget, a diamond nugget. How many of you are coaches and trainers here? All right, a lot of you are coaches and trainers. This is a new feature introduced by LinkedIn and available only on your phone, not on a laptop or anything. So you drop down on your profile, you see create event, and the right in this slide you see I've created this event, no three secrets of no cost marketing. Here you can send 500 invites. How many? 500 organic invites to your network, professional network, direct inbox, direct inbox. Facebook charges 100 rupees per lead for this kind of lead, 100 rupees per lead. Here, 50,000 rupees sitting free on LinkedIn every day if you are a coach or trainer or any kind of event you create. Any kind of event you create. So how many of you have got this aha moment from this LinkedIn and gifting to your client, creating personal brand, becoming a speaker, becoming trainer, and writing a book? How many of you have got aha moment? AHA. Type AHA in the comment box. Aha, 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 aha. In my live training, everyone says aha, aha 2 times. Aha, aha. Fantastic. See? Awesome, right? So connect with me on LinkedIn tonight. Promise me we are going to be connected because we have met here virtually on this webinar. We didn't know each other. Next step is let's get connected on LinkedIn, and then maybe, when I travel and we meet physically. A lot of my virtual friends around the world have become my real friends. So type promise and send me, let's connect on LinkedIn tonight before you go to bed. So two course of action for you. One is watch that video of Robert Cialdini, Science of Persuasion. Second, let's connect on LinkedIn. So let's talk about Facebook. How many of you think Facebook is waste of time? Type WOT in comment box, and in the next 3 minutes I'll prove it is not waste of time. All right. Thank you for your honesty. So Facebook has got 3-4 things going on there. One is your personal profile, as you see here. Second is your personal page. Third is your company page. Fourth is your group. And fifth is Facebook stories. These are the, and sixth is Facebook advertisement. These are the 6 things. So Facebook advertisement, people have spent around last year $58 billion. So very, very effective. And combined with Instagram, because you run your ad on Facebook, it is showing on Instagram too. So people who have moved away from Facebook, a lot of young people have moved away, they are on Instagram. Very cost-effective method of advertising. Very cost-effective. Great lead generation method. It is the hottest industry in the, if you learn how to generate leads for people, you will get a lot of business. This is one of the top in my recession-proof businesses list. I have a list of 20 recession-proof business. I'm doing next webinar on 4th of June. I'm bringing government officers there. Government officer, the director MSME, what scheme, what support government is giving. And then I'm talking about recession-proof businesses, because in Corona times and post-Corona time, people who are in business, they need recession-proof business. So that next time anything like this happen, even in this time, they can earn money. So lead generation is number 1 there, right? So this is my personal profile. This is my wife, wonderful wife here, married for 36 years. Her name is Uma. So everyone say hi Uma in the comment box. Hi Uma, UMA. Thank you. And on my personal profile, you can post your family pictures, birthdays and everything, but align with your brand and your personality. I don't post about religion. I don't post about politics. These 2 things I avoid. And then how many of you have got personal page? Like you see here on your screen, Suresh Mancharamani. How many of you got personal page? Yeah, Uma is saying, hi everyone. So she's here on this webinar. Fantastic. Hi Uma. All right, so you have your personal page, right? Next is you should have your company page, everyone. From here you can run advertisement. From your profile you can't run advertisement. I'm going to give you golden nugget now after this, which no digital media company will ever tell you, and you will not learn this thing anywhere else except this webinar. So I want some energy. Type I want in the comment box. Give me some energy, and I'm going to give you that golden nugget which no one will give you. Fantastic. Love you guys. Here it is. It is your evergreen video. What you do, take your phone and buy a 300 rupees tripod from Amazon and shoot a 2-minute video. You talking to the people. Here you see I am talking to the people. About your services, what you do. Picture speaks 1,000 words, the video speaks million words. Million words. Next step is pin it to the top. You see, do you see this blue pin here? Type pin in the comment box. Blue pin. Blue pin here. So on these 3 dots, when you click on the drop down, you will see pin this to the top. So you'll be able to pin it. So what will happen? This video will always remain on the top of your page, company page or personal page. And this is a video. And in 6 months to 8 months time, you will notice that there are a lot of engagement. There are a lot of people have written comments, and there are a lot of likes and everything. So anyone visiting your page will see you talking live in video. Creates a lot of brand authority, and you will get a lot of leads also there. I've got around, over 50 members from this video of Tajurba paid me 25,000 rupees a year. Very powerful, very powerful. Use this strategy. Shoot your video. Now, Facebook is very greedy. It wants you to boost the post, pay them for money for advertising, and it doesn't show your post to many people. How you can beat Facebook on its own game? Let me show you that. I've created this page, proud to be a Sindhi, right? Visit this page. 47,000 organic likes there. I haven't spent a penny there. No cost marketing. This post, 18th March, 2,46,659 people reached. 32,806 engagement, 5,600 likes, 153 comments, and 1,400 shares, all organic. And here also I pinned my video in Sindhi language, and I post all my webinars, seminars, my courses, my coaching, my products of, children products on beauty products, everything. I get a lot of business from this page. No cost marketing. Type NCM in the comment box. No cost marketing. Here I'm giving you what I do. I'm not holding back any secret. It's all coming from here. Dil se. Type Dil se in the comment box. DS in the comment box. Dil se. And the other thing is groups. How many of you have your own groups on comment box where you are the admin? You are the admin, right? I've created this group. I have a couple of many groups, 1,000 member, 2,000 member. But I'll mention 2 big groups here, and it's growing every day. This is the entrepreneurs group. So now tonight, join this group also. Tajurba, you come into my community. Tajurba, the largest entrepreneurs group. 4,700 members there. I created this group, and they are both of them, me and Umar admin. So anyone joining gets a message that Suresh or Uma is a women group also. All the women here can join that group. All right, so that group, whenever you post something, we approve. So you get a message, Suresh Mancharamani or Uma has approved. It's all about creating recall, influence. Every time you get Suresh Mancharamani, the admin, is approved. So you want to see what Suresh Mancharamani is doing webinar, or is a coach. I want to take his services. No cost marketing, no cost marketing. So I met a gentleman from Australia. His name is Martin. So he requested me that, let's go to Dubai, since you have a huge network in Dubai. Let's do our roadshow in Dubai. So this Dubai, I went there. We did roadshow. We did a lot of business. Martin is in from Australia. I came back. I created this group, Dubai Real Estate Company Formation and Resident Visa. 7,200 members there, closed group, and a lot of Dubai real estate developer advertising there. And they pay me yearly to advertise in this group, lot of engagement. Now, I don't pay anything to Facebook. I get money from this group. How cool is that? Type cool in the comment box. No cost marketing, right? Facebook stories, you all must be doing. Those who are not doing, start doing it. One story a day. A lot of people post a lot of stories. This is getting a lot of engagement. I get 1,000+ views on my stories, but I post about my webinars, my seminar, my book launch, or my product or service, or anything which can add value to my network. No waste of time. If you're wasting time there or passing time there, that's definitely waste of time. But everything aligned with your brand, your services, your personality, then it's not waste of time. And you get lots and lots of eyeballs. Here is business coming from Facebook. This person sent me direct messenger, Facebook Messenger. Hello sir, I'm connecting you to a lead in BHEL. He was my batchmate in NIT Bhopal while engineering. Kindly guide him what courses you can offer for BHEL employees. Business coming from Facebook. Now those people who said Facebook is waste of time, WOT, I would request you, a very humble request now, to type NWOT in the comment box. It is not waste of time. If you waste time there, it's a waste of time. Otherwise, it's NWOT. Type NWOT in the comment box. Right, NWOT. Not waste of time. Now let's move to Instagram. After that, we'll come to WhatsApp, how to use WhatsApp for business. A lot of golden nuggets. And everything what I do, they'll say, right? So this is my profile here. This is a slide is 2-3 days old. I got now 2,700 today. And it's very difficult to get followers on Instagram connection, right? Very difficult to get. Not like Facebook. So how do you get Instagram followers? Number one, use good photos, crystal clear. It's a primarily photography platform. Yes. Test different filters. There are a lot of nice filters on Instagram. Tag relevance account. Whenever you post something, tag me. You will get a lot of my network will start liking your post. Complete and optimize your Instagram bio. Golden rule. Your bio should be everywhere. Kick-ass. Mention the services you provide. All services must be mentioned there. Point to Instagram from your website. All your websites should have Instagram link. People can follow you. On your email also, signature should have that. Cross-post your Instagram content to Facebook. So now you can link your Facebook page and Twitter handle to Instagram, and one post can go to both the places. Run contest, right? Give your free ebook, and people will follow you. Follow, like, and comment on others. So engage with other people, they'll engage you. Reciprocity we talk about. Research hashtag. Instagram allows you 30 hashtags. But my experience, my tajurba says 5 or 6 relevant hashtags, not more than that. And it doesn't allow you to post any link. Link is always in bio. So like if I'm posting my webinar, I say if you want to attend my webinar, Zoom link is in the bio. That's it. And like Facebook stories, Instagram stories are more powerful. This gets you more eyeball, more no-cost marketing, the more promotion, the one story a day. Video content. How many of you post video content regularly? Type I do in the comment box if you post video content. A lot of you. Because pictures speak 1,000 words, videos speak 1,000,000 words. Very powerful. Shoot less than 10 minutes, short videos initially, because people like to see short videos. And post the same video on Instagram, IGTV, post on LinkedIn, post on Facebook, post on YouTube. We'll talk about YouTube also a little bit. Same video, and you'll get lots and lots of followers through that. So let's connect on Instagram. The third thing, you send me LinkedIn request, you have joined my Tajurba group, now connect on Instagram too. So we connected on all the places, right? And then when we meet really, we will become real friends. All right, so let's talk about YouTube. Here are my 11,400 now subscribers on LinkedIn. YouTube. I shoot like 5 videos every week. Lot of videos you can see here, no cost marketing, rise and fall of Yes Bank, lot of valuable content. This is where I'm going to reach 1 crore people, to train them, give them lot of free content from my tajurba, so that they can learn, and people who can't, those who can't afford my courses and everything can learn from these videos also. But these are short videos, 10 minutes. Of course, people who do courses, they can go learn much in detail. And here is, subscribe to my YouTube channel, LinkedIn, YouTube, and, Facebook. Let's be connected. So if you are not spending time on personal brand, I would recommend my another panelist here, Sushil Rajput. That's his number. Everyone say hi, Sushil. Get in touch with him. Shoot your video, send it to him. He'll edit and post it on YouTube and properly Facebook, everything proper hashtag, proper editing, background music, putting some animation there, all those things. So this is Sushil's number. Note it down: 880-288-1836. All right. So let's move quickly to the WhatsApp. Like Facebook stories, like Instagram stories, status. So how many of you post one status a day on WhatsApp? Type I do in the comment box. One status. Don't post too many. Same principle, add value or announce something exciting about your webinar, your book or anything. Do not like waste time there or spam or things like that. How many of you have WhatsApp group? Yes, Nirali, thank you. So we have got 23 WhatsApp group, almost no spam groups. So create communities on WhatsApp, wonderful platform. How many of you have broadcast list? Type I have in the comment box if you have a broadcast list. Okay. So broadcast list, my humble request to people who have broadcast list is, please do not spam. Do not forward fake videos. I get around 40-50 good mornings and fake newses and videos, which I'm not interested. It irritates me. Only thing you can do is that send valuable content. You got any award, release any book, your webinar, your seminar, or any new product you have launched, any award you have got, or maybe personal thing, you got married or you got engaged, you were blessed with a baby or something. All those things, broadcast those. Please do not promise me you will not spam. Type promise in the comment box. Promise me, don't spam, please. And when you're sending these messages, another golden nugget, write in that message that you are in my broadcast list. If you do not want to receive this message, please send me a message, unsubscribe, reply me with unsubscribe. I'll remove you from broadcast list. And your network is going to respect you for this guts. Is this a valuable? Type super valuable, SV in the comment box if it's valuable for you. SV in the comment box. Fantastic. How many of you use WhatsApp for business? Type I do in the comment box if you use WhatsApp for business. So here are certain features. First thing is, you see here on the left hand side, business profile, your catalog. You can put your catalog there. Here you can see public speaking and TEDx Mastery, Turbo Sales Blueprint. All my courses I have listed here. You can create short link, away message, greeting message, quick replies, a lot of automation. And WhatsApp is coming with its own payment gateway. It's going to kill Paytm and other things. It's there in the approval, RBI approval. So use WhatsApp, change your number to take a backup, download WhatsApp business app and change it to WhatsApp. You will not lose any contact or any content there, any messages. Change it to WhatsApp business. It's become very important. Yes. This is branding on the back of your car. Print a screen, give it to your friends and relatives who want to use it. Sunscreen, no cost marketing. Hundreds of cars moving in the city and you get free eyeballs. Yes. How many of you are on Quora? Type I am on the comment box if you are on Quora. So here it is, how to get your ROI business from Quora. By answering Quora question related to your industry, you can demonstrate your expertise in the space and improve your company's brand image. This is the most authentic platform for people, experts. They're all experts there. They answer questions and other people Go there to find answers. If you type any question on Google, it will take you to the Quora for the answer. It's that powerful. Create a brilliant bio. Golden rule. Everywhere you should have a bio. Same story what I told you about LinkedIn. Post here. Track relevant topics with notifications. Find the right questions to answer around your expertise. Answer question with passion and authority. People love your energy first. After that, they buy product or services you offer. Yes? Passion. Connect with other Quora users. Review your analytics constantly. Know who's viewing you and do not self-promote. Because when you're answering questions with authority, passion, you are an expert. Write your website link there. People will get in touch with you. They see your answers. They know you are expert. You don't even have to promote. They'll come to you for business. They come to me for my coaching and other things to join Tajurba and my session. How many of you got personal website like sureshmansharamani.com? sureshmansharamani.com? Your own name. Your own name website. Yes. It's very easy on WordPress or Vox. You can make your website in 1 hour. Your own website. No need to spend money. Online chartered. Your name, Nirali, not your company. Your name, niralipandya.com. I'm talking about personal brand. Your company brand, your personal brand. Your personal brand is much stronger than your company brand. When you write blogs, now start when you're writing this book, write, those big, start writing those blogs. 500 words blog. I write 1 blog a week and 4 blogs a month, and that become part of, and a collection of those blogs become part of my book. I post blog on my website, LinkedIn, Facebook, everywhere. And this is what happens. When you type on Google Best Business Coach in India, after Quora, after advertisements and other, organic, but big portal like Medium and other things, my name is on the top, sureshmansharamani.com. Do that. 4 blogs a month. Guerrilla marketing, another great technique, we met I was traveling to Bangalore. I announced on Facebook, I'm coming to Bangalore. Those who want to meet me, please send me message. So one young gentleman, his name is Ravi Thakur. He came to meet me at Taj Vivanta, Bangalore. And he was doing a job with a technology company. He said, I want to start my interior company. I have a co-founder, Ravish, and he has knowledge about interior. I'm good at marketing. So I learned from him this guerrilla marketing. What he did, he went to suburbs of Bangalore, fresh allotment of all the apartments, and he gave them an irresistible offer. What offer? Irresistible. Type IR in the comment box. Irresistible offer. IR in the comment box. Irresistible offer. Very important to get new clients. So I'm going to give you irresistible offer for Turbo Sale Blueprint after this, for my 6 Saturdays course. So he gave like very crazy price, 2,50,000 rupees or 2 lakh rupees for 2-bedroom apartment. He started getting business. He got into their RWS, Resident Welfare Association, in the WhatsApp group, and he started getting lots and lot of business. 2 years ago, when me and my wife Uma were visiting Bangalore, he hosted a Tajurba event there. So we have a Tajurba talk like TEDx-like event. And he hosted that in his office, 4,000 square feet office, 40 employees working under him, and 12 crore worth of orders pipeline. Guerrilla marketing. Type GM in the comment box. Guerrilla marketing. When you write all these things, you will remember. Otherwise, by tomorrow you'll forget. That's why I'm requesting all of you to write. Yes? If you're cool with that, type cool in the comment box. All right. So, how many of you agree that data is gold mine? Type DIG in the comment box. Data is gold mine. So on your website, your ebook, you can write 40, 50 page, 100 page ebook. Give it to the people, tell them that you want to learn about no cost marketing or anything, any subject around your specialization, weight loss or everything. Give your details here. So they'll give them a mobile number, their email, and you send them an ebook. And you get the data, and later you can use it for email marketing. And wonderful platform, MailChimp, GetResponse, great platform. MailChimp give you 2,000 emails free every day. No cost marketing. Now, this is the big golden nugget. This is so huge, can make you or save you lakhs and crores of rupees. Type I want in the comment box with great energy and passion. Great energy. I'm going to give you this nugget. Never do proposal. If your ticket size, if you are a graphic designer or you are a website developer or you are a, content marketer, lead generation, things like that, personal branding expert like Sushil is here. If you do proposals, two things will happen. Your client will ask you for proposal. Two things will happen. One, either the mail will go into spam or promotion or he'll forget about it. Two, he will ask quotation from proposal from 4 more competitors. And he will give business to the lowest cost proposal without even giving you chance to do one-to-one meeting with you or giving chance to explain that your product and services are better than your competitor. Proposals are waste of time. Proposals are waste of time. Now, what do you do if you don't send proposals? Type it out. Ask for a meeting. Go to your client. Sit down and negotiate. Learn the selling skills if you don't have. I'm going to tell you about my Turbo Sales Blueprint. And close your business. Write down terms and condition and all the deliverable. Fill in the blanks there. Keep some column blank. Take your advance. Sushil Rajput, this personal branding expert, my panelist here, he's my student. I'm coaching him and he stopped doing proposal after my coaching. And what happened, Sushil, type in the comment box. His conversions went through the roof. He was doing like 40%. Now it's over 90%. Over 90% conversions after he stopped doing proposals. Okay, so my grandmother used to say, Vyapari bechta bala, khiladi khelta bala. Vyapari bechta bala, khiladi khelta bala. I'll translate this in English too. A businessman should always be selling. A sportsman should always be playing. If you agree with this statement, type in the comment box, agree. All right, so Vyapari bechta bala, khiladi khelta bala. Always be selling. Sales is oxygen. That puts money in your pocket. That pays for your children, education, your luxury, your vacation, your car, your house, everything. There are 3 parts to every business. One is production. If you are a coach, trainer, graphic designer, whatever you do, that comes under production. Second is operation, logistic, ERP, accounts, all this is operation. Third is sales and marketing. Now, reply this one question, that which of these 3 activities put money in your pocket? Does production put money in your pocket? Does operation put money in your pocket? Or does sales and marketing put money in your pocket? Type in the comment box. Which of these 3 activities put money in your pocket? Sales and marketing. Yes. Sales and marketing. Everyone should learn. Everyone should learn. How many of you are shy of selling? How many of you are shy of selling? Who are afraid of selling? जब बेचने का टाइम आता थोड़ी शर्म आती है बोलने में, बताने में, कहने में, फॉलो अप करने में क्लाइंट से. Full shy. Thank you for your honesty. Thank you for your honesty. How many of you would like to learn selling skills so that authentically and shamelessly you can sell and convert over 90% of the business leads? Type I want in the comment box. Me, yeah, me, yes, me. Thank you. Thank you. Learn. This is the skill everyone should learn. And there's 3 most dangerous words in English language. I know everything. जब ये लोग ये सोच लेते हैं, I know everything. That means they stop growing. हम लोग कहते थे I know everything. मुझे कुछ सीखने का जरूरत नहीं है. I'm doing 4 courses right now. I'm learning my own Facebook ads and everything. I learned doing webinar. But जब ये बैंक अकाउंट देखते हैं पैसा नहीं है. And I know everything. अरे ऐसा कैसे होएगा यार? If you know everything, you must be making a lot of money. Yes. So Howard Ruff said, if I could teach my children only one skill, that is sales and marketing, they'll do very well in life, whatever they do. Billionaire said that. And people who don't learn, don't evolve, they fade away like Nokia, BlackBerry, 130-year-old company, Eastman Kodak, and the worst story we have been told. Worst story. Slow and steady wins the race. Stupid story, not relevant in these times. That was relevant in older time. Took me 25 years to grow my business. Now it's 3 years. Young children, 30-year-old are becoming billionaires. 30-year-old are becoming billionaires. WhatsApp, $19 billion, 3 years. Instagram, 1 year, $1 billion. Sachin and Benny Bansal, 6-7 years, billionaires without even making profit. All right, so fast and furious win the game. Type F and F in the comment box. Fast and furious. Money loves speed. Money loves speed, my dear friend. This young lady, Lily Singh, superwoman from YouTube, multi-millionaire, now in Hollywood, Netflix. Ashna Shroff, 15 to 20 lakh rupees, Instagram influencer. That's why I say get influence. I'm working very hard to get Instagram followers. Sandeep Maheshwari, I talked about. Huge brand. Vivek Bindra, 200 crore business. Bada business app. And see here, airlines took 64 years to reach 50 million users. Pokemon, 19 days. Fast and furious. Facebook, only 4 years. Fast and furious. If you hate sales, that means you hate revenue. If you hate sales, you hate revenue. Now, people who confess that you are shy of sales, acknowledge how much sales you must have lost in last 5 years. Type in the comment box. Just approximate figure. 1 crore, 2 crore, 50 lakh, 10 crore, whatever opportunities you have lost. You thought that these leads could have been converted. You could not convert. Because when you acknowledge, you learn. You improve, you develop those skills. If you don't acknowledge that you are obese, you don't lose weight. If you are comfortable, that's fine. You don't want to lose, it's also okay. But if you acknowledge, yes, I want to do something about it, you lose weight. See the figures, 70 lakh, 30 lakh, 20 lakh, 50 lakh, 2.5 crore, 50 lakhs. A lot of figures, amazing. So first of all, the number one homework for you is to delete this bad file that I am not good at sales or I hate selling. When you hate people who sell, a lot of us, we avoid insurance advisors. Yes, type yes in the comment box if you avoid insurance advisors. Now they protect your family. One wonderful story told by insurance advisor at Tajurba, KM Sharma. He told me that he insured one Gurdwara Sevadar, volunteer, at 12:30 p.m. And he took a check and, form to his branch, submitted. Check not cleared yet. That volunteer died after 3 hours crossing the road and his family ended up getting money. How important is insurance? And we sometimes avoid them, see their card, insurance wala yaar chep hoega, bhago na. No. And I'm making a very big statement. If you hate selling or hate people who are selling, you will struggle rest of your life closing your own sales. That's a very big, you're driving your car with handbrake on. Learn from those people. They are trained salespeople. Insurance are very, very robust and great trainings they have. I have a wealth management company. I attended a 3-day insurance training myself. So I don't go to sell insurance, but I learned selling. It's such important skill. Same in network marketer. I met one person in New York. He had 2 lakh people under his downline, $1 million income, leveraging other people's time. So all rich and successful people, note it down. They leverage technology, they leverage other people's time. And our Mukesh Ambani leverage other people's money. How cool is that? Type cool in the comment box. All rich and successful people leverage. That is the power of leveraging. So, today onwards, before you go to bed, say, I love selling. I love selling. Type in the comment box, ILS, ILS, I love selling. When you do this affirmation, your subconscious mind, you will start to recognize, you will learn, you will see that articles, you will watch YouTube videos, you will do courses where you learn selling and you will sharpen your skills and you'll be very, very successful because without sales, no business exists. If the sales is strong, you have money, you can hire best of the consultant, coaches, trainers, everything. That's very important. Also, you need to love buying also. If there is no buying, there is no selling. If everyone is selling, no one is buying, then no one is selling. My son Tarun, when he goes, we live in DLF4 Gurgaon. Across our house is a very expensive market, Galleria market. The rental there is 1,200 per square feet. So my son buys something from there and his mom, Uma, tells him, बेटा इतना महंगा क्यों लिया? He says, Mom, उनका घर भी तो चलना चाहिए. What a wonderful thought. How will that shopkeeper will earn money if we don't buy? He needs money for his family. What a wonderful thought. So type I love buying, ILB in the comment box. I love buying, I love selling. When you sell, you make a lot of money. You buy also. You know, buy your best cars, best vacation, best house, best clothes, best education for your children. Yes, spend that money. Money should circulate in economy and save some part of it too. Yes, saving also very important. So let's set your sales goal right now. I want you to, take a deep breath and set your 5-year sales goal right now. What is your sales goal in next 5 years? Whatever, how many crores you think, first thought comes to your mind, because setting goals is very important. I've written my, 90 days goal on this card. Every day morning I see that, it's in my wallet, this white card, and I'm going to bed, I see this goal. So 50 crore, 5 crore, 20 crore, 70 crore, Ghanshyam, Rajiv Nayak 10 crore, Bharti 20 crore, Mangla 5 crore, Rajesh Joseph 50 crore, Ashish Pandya 25 crore. Keep it coming, participate. You guys are awesome. You are awesome, fantastic. 30 crore, 100 crore. All of you are awesome. I already said you are wearing awesomeness glasses today, right? All right. Financial freedom, Prakash. Yes, financial freedom, definitely. Money gives you financial freedom. All right. So next thing to do is now. Next, be ready. Add one more zero. Add one more zero to your goal, because when you aim for the stars, you hit the moon. Les Brown said that. Think big, set big goal, big, hairy, audacious goal, BHAG, B-H-A-G. Because when you think big, you achieve big. If you think 100 crore, you will achieve 80 crore. But one guarantee I can give you in writing today, if you think small, big is not going to happen. This is my life tajurba. Born in a refugee camp, no education, no mentor, no money. I could achieve presidential award talking in front of you in English, written 2 books. That is the power of thinking big. Think big. Small thinking will never get you anywhere. 1,000 crore, Nitesh. 200 crore. Hari Sudha, 1,000 crore. Fantastic. Love you guys. Now look at this slide. It's a very important slide. Take a picture of this slide. I want you all, I believe you already here, you have super successful mindset, but still, I want you to go through this slide, because super successful people are never selfish. They take calculated risks. They spend big time and money on self-development. I have done Train the Trainer certification 2 years ago, spent 3 lakh rupees. Gallup certification, 3,80,000 rupees. Spending right now 4 courses. Mentor, they always have. I have my health coach. I have my marketing coach. Money belief is abundance. They think, Shah Rukh Khan. This is all super successful. He's super successful, right? Wealth and success, birthright. So type SS in the comment box if you $1 billion. Kumar's Kalika, $1 billion. 1,500 crore, Prakash. SS, super successful mindset. Have a super, wear awesomeness glasses and have a super successful mindset. Your life is me. Your life will be so awesome. You will be rich and successful in all aspects of your life. Health, happiness, family, relationship, friends, network, great personal brand. मजा आ जाएगा जिंदगी का दोस्तों. Have super successful